Welcome to this inspiring video. Today, we'll talk about success, relaxation, and overcoming procrastination. In a world full of stress and distractions, it's important to remember that success doesn't happen overnight. So, let's take a moment together to breathe, focus on our goals, and build habits that will help us move steadily forward. Success isn't about being perfect, it's about progress. Every small step you take is a step toward your goal. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Create it yourself. Every day is a new opportunity to work toward achieving your dreams. Success doesn't come from what you do now and then, but from what you do consistently. Keep striving toward your goal, and don't let anything stop you. Rest is just as important as hard work. Remember, you can't give from an empty cup. Sometimes the greatest act of self-care is giving yourself the space to grow. Relax, enjoy the moment, and let your mind rest. Success begins with peace of mind, so take a deep breath and relax. Don't be afraid of failure. Be afraid of not trying. Setbacks are just preludes to a stronger comeback. Remember, the greatest glory in life is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Progress is born from the courage to take the first step, so don't let fear stop you. Use it to motivate you and keep moving toward your goal. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Every day is a new opportunity to set your goal, then work toward it consistently. Success isn't about speed, it's about consistency. Stay focused and don't let distractions derail you. Success is the sum of the small efforts you make every day. Even the smallest progress is a step toward a bigger goal. It's your commitment to keep going that makes the difference. Every little thing you do is a step toward your big goals. Remember, hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Success is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy every step of the way, and don't forget to take moments to rest and rejuvenate. Relax, stay focused, and keep working toward your goals. Remember, nothing is impossible when you stick to the path. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. Leave us a comment and share your goals and how you plan to achieve them. See you in the next video.